Imagine a really old language unlocking secrets of the future. That's what some people think might happen with Sanskrit and quantum computers. Sanskrit, with its organized grammar, might be helpful for this new technology. NASA is doing a lot of research on quantum computers. The connection between Sanskrit and quantum computers might seem weird at first, but some scientists think Sanskrit's grammar could be good for making quantum computer programs. These programs could change medicine, how we make things, and even artificial intelligence. While it's still early days, the possibilities are super exciting. NASA is working hard on quantum computer research, pushing the boundaries of what we know and can achieve. Their Quantum Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, or QUAIL, is at the Ames Research Center, a hub of innovation and discovery. It's a big center for this new research, housing some of the brightest minds in the field. At QUAIL, scientists and engineers are making new quantum programs and working with other companies to push the technology forward. One of NASA's partners is Google, which is really good at making quantum computers and advancing the field. Together, they did something amazing in 2019, showing that quantum computers can do things regular computers can't, a milestone in technology. NASA also works with the Department of Energy, other labs and universities, creating a network of collaboration and shared knowledge. They're looking at how quantum computers could help spaceships travel better and talk to Earth from far away, revolutionizing space communication. NASA isn't just thinking about this stuff. They're building it too, turning ideas into reality with cutting-edge technology. Sanskrit, a very old language from India, has complicated grammar and very specific rules. It is known for its precision and structure, which have fascinated scholars for centuries. Some researchers think these rules could be helpful for quantum computers. They believe that the structured nature of Sanskrit could provide a framework for developing new quantum algorithms. The idea is that Sanskrit's organized way of working might be good for the exact calculations quantum computers need. Quantum computing relies on precise and complex calculations, and Sanskrit's grammatical rules could offer a unique approach. One idea is to use Sanskrit sounds to represent quantum states. This could potentially simplify the representation of quantum information. Scientists are looking at how Sanskrit's sound rules could match how quantum computers work. They are exploring whether the phonetic structure of Sanskrit can be mapped onto quantum states. Another idea is that learning Sanskrit could make you better at logical thinking, which is important for understanding complicated things like quantum computers. The mental discipline required to master Sanskrit might enhance cognitive skills useful in quantum computing. This is an interesting idea, but scientists need to do more research to see if it's true. The potential connection between Sanskrit and quantum computing is still in its early stages. The idea that Sanskrit could help quantum computers is still just a theory. More studies and experiments are needed to validate these hypotheses and understand the practical applications. Quantum computing is changing fast, with new discoveries all the time. One important thing is quantum supremacy, where quantum computers are better than regular computers at some tasks. Another focus is making quantum computers with more qubits. Building and controlling lots of qubits is a hard engineering problem. Scientists are trying different ways to make qubits to solve these problems. Fixing errors is also really important. Making sure quantum computers don't make mistakes is key. Scientists are also making new computer languages and programs just for quantum computers. The idea of Sanskrit and quantum computers has made some people excited, but others are unsure. Some scientists think Sanskrit could be helpful, but it's important to know what's true and what's not. One myth is that Sanskrit is the only or best language for quantum computers. There's no proof of that. Another wrong idea is that NASA is using Sanskrit in its research. This isn't true. It's important to think carefully about what you hear about Sanskrit and quantum computers. It's good to explore new ideas, but it's important to trust real scientists. Quantum computers could change lots of things. from medicine to artificial intelligence. These powerful machines have the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable with classical computers. Imagine a world where diseases are cured faster, and AI becomes more intuitive and responsive. While the connection between Sanskrit and quantum computers is still mostly theoretical, it shows how important it is to look at things in different ways. Ancient knowledge can sometimes provide insights that modern science overlooks, bridging the gap between the past and the future. NASA's work on quantum computers shows they want to learn new things. Their research is pushing the boundaries of what we know and opening up new frontiers in space, exploration, and beyond. As we learn more about quantum computers, it's important to think critically and trust scientific evidence. This technology requires rigorous testing and validation to ensure its reliability and effectiveness. The mix of old wisdom and new technology reminds us that new ideas can come from anywhere. By combining the best of both worlds, we can create innovative solutions to complex problems. The future of quantum computing is full of possibilities, and it's a future we should explore with open minds and a desire to learn. Embracing this technology could lead to breakthroughs we can only dream of today, making the impossible possible.